Alright, I'm in a boat now.
Meet me at the sandy area where me and Riley always go. Oh, dang it. I need to get a good...
No! I can't drive anymore.
No, I'm not. I'm on the bike. Meet me at the other side of the island.
Oh, come on.
Meet me over here. Meet me over here. Meet me over here.
I just wrecked my other boat.
Wrecked it again? My guy, you get freaking boobies. Okay, I need to hide. Alright, I'm hidden. I'm hiding. Come get me.
I'm hiding. Come find me.
Oh! Well. Frick. Come get me, dude. I'm over here.
Alright, okay.
I'm over here.
I'm going over.
Suspect has acquired a boat.
Shoot. They're scanning. Okay, be careful. I vanished.
Alright, don't worry, I'm here. Don't worry, I'm here. Don't worry, I'm here.
Alright, I'm in. Let's go, come on!
Oh, I can't drive it, I'm on land.
Oh, shoot!
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh my god!
I just realized what happened.
I vanished. Time comes. Bro, moment. Hold on, wait.
Whoa! That was a nice backflip.
Oh, man,
I can't do backflip.
I got this movie live move. I moved the boat. Everything good? All right.
Yeah, let's
that's how you
go.
move a
Alright, bye.
boat.
Let's joke. You're silhouette in the water. Wait, don't just stay in the water. Wait, get in the water for a second. Get in the water. Get in the water. Get in the water. Wait, get in the water. Wait, get in the water. That's so great. Watching you tread water. No, just stand still. Oh, it's so
Did
great.
you see what I'm doing?
Yeah, I saw your legs.
I got this. You lined over.
What are you doing?
I'm finally up here. Let's go, Eli. We're off to see the wizard. You know those things that are on the fronts of boats? Yeah, I'll be that thing.
Oh my
You know
gosh.
those little statues that are on fronts of boats? Yeah, I'll be that statue.
Oh yeah. Hey, look, a buoy. I wonder what this
There we
does.
go.
Oh gosh.
Your statue.
I just saw you
didn't
fly
move your
off the
statue.
boat again.
Your statue.
Alright, get in the vehicle. I can't turn it that fast.
What are you doing?
I can't.
Don't move! Stop
Okay.
moving!
Okay, don't worry out. I'm trying to straighten it for you. I'm trying to straighten it for you, don't worry.
Stop moving!
Just trying to straighten it for you, don't worry about it.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm just trying to straighten it for you. Oh, this is great. Okay. What? Could go right this way. Cycling it. Oh, that was boring. Oh shoot, our engine. Do you see this masterpiece right here? Hey, let's stand on it. Come stand on this with me. We're gonna have a campfire. Come sing the campfire song with me. Come sing the campfire song with me. No, come over here. Come sing the campfire song.
Let's go. No, dude, let's get over here and let's all go.
You want to tell a scary story about campfires?
Oh
shoot. Did you just die? What is your body doing?
Started doing weird things with the chair. Oh, let me up, dude, let me up. I got this, don't worry.
It's not even gonna make a move. Hey, don't worry, we're driving the boat. Ah! He died.
Dad, what am I doing? Hold on, what am I
Look
doing?
at your body. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna pass out. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna die.
Oh my gosh, my throat hurts now. What just happened? Oh my gosh, we can go in reverse, man. What are you doing? I'm gonna have to ask you to stop.
Oh my god, I hit the boat!
Oh
Dude,
man.
come on, let's go get this boat, dude. Let's go get this new boat that I found. I bought this boat off of...
What are you doing?
Daddy.
You mean that speed boot? That speed boot? Hey, you mean that speed boot?
Yeah, dude, that's speed boot. Hold on. Let me get on this crate area and wait for wait for my new boat to come. Wait for somebody else's boat. I mean, my new boat to come. There's no way to get up here, dude. Drive the boat over here. Come on. That's a car.
Hey, dude, I'm here. I'm gonna drive my boat. What are you talking about? It's my boat. Don't you like my amazing boat? Hey,
Wait,
hey, don't you like my boat?
Was that a
Don't you like my boat?
What is that?
Don't you like my boat? Oh wait, you wanna know what that was? That was
I'm hacking your car.
Oh, that was
I'm hacking your car, Eli.
That was a Sonorous LX by Global Motors.
Whoa, that's really cool.
Oh wait, no, this is my car wrecking one. Dang it.
Woo!
Okay, hold on 1 second. Hold on, stay in this area, okay? I'm gonna change change to the sniper, and then I'm gonna teleport to you, okay?
Oh, I just ramped over an enemy base, and then I ran into a tree.
Wait, where'd you go? Oh, you're over there.
Dude, I literally ramped over an enemy area, and then exactly after that, I freaking went and pooped. Right now for manslaughter, but listen, it's fine.
Oh my gosh.
Everything is fine.
Oh my. Yeah, everything is fine. How about you heard nothing, huh?
Dirty man. Why'd you just kill my car?
Hey, man, how's it going? Give me all your money. Give me all your money right now. Give me all your money. Give me your money. Give me your money right now.
I'll get your money. Hold on. I'll get your money. Hold on. Let me just. Get wrecked. You're locked in now. Haha. Get destroyed. Ah! You have the Airboy Surge sniper.
Yeah.
Door. Brussels sprouts, I love them sprouts. Yeah, Brussels sprouts.
Yeah, just about to go to the convention. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Let's actually. Let's actually go, dude.
Eli, you ready to go to the convention? Is that your costume? Are you a drone? Are you a droid now?
Yeah, I'm a drone, dude. How do you take pictures with the drone?
You don't. You die.
Wait, no. What is it? Oh, it's just X, isn't it? Yeah, it's just X. Is that your school dance outfit?
Shing ding bongy ding.
Did you hear what I said?
I just realized this is the For Honor horn helm, and this is the Ghost Recon hat, but it has what looks like a For Honor symbol. Get destroyed. Yeah, you know I'm already ready. You know what I'm saying? I'll be ready. You know what I'm ready. I'm ready. Ready like Freddy. Dude, it'd be better.
Are you ready for Freddy? No.
What'd be cool is if they added a ready. What? What happened to my car? Who did this? Who did this?
Move!
What kind of
Oh,
tyrant
absolutely
would
no
do
one.
this?
No one did this. Absolutely no one in the world.
Well then, who did it?
I don't know. Who would do
Why are
it?
you shooting my car?
Oh shoot! The police are after me.
Car. Get destroyed. You're so garbage. Action of the Sons of Ragnarok are on you.
Hey, send some cops here. Looks like an emergency. Huh? You think, buddy?
Dog. Oh, you mean this doggo? I love this doggo. Ah!
Yeah, I mean this doggo. Oh shoot! Yeah, I mean that doggo right there. That one. That dog right there.
Oh, you mean that one?
Yeah, that one right there.
I think there's something wrong with my dog. It's vibrating.
Hey, wait, dude, come over here. Do you see this? Do you see this penguin? Or not this
I
penguin?
just got lagged out of the game.
Oh, I was about to shoot the flamingo. Do you see this flamingo right there? What in the world? Right there.
I'm not in the game.
That's the point. Motorcycle, or I am at least. And this motorcycle is mine now. It's my property. My property.
You just drove me through all of those fences, and it did nothing. Mark it.
I'm sorry, that motorcycle is my property.
Tyrone. Marcus Tyrone.
Marcus and Tyrone. Alright, and I'm just gonna back it up, pick up truck. This car is actual garbage, dude.
Well, you're gonna need a car to run me over.
There you go.
Get destroyed.
What did you just do? You're over there? How?
I did a backflip on it. I still got it. Run. Oh, shoot. I thought it would be a backflip. We always do it.
Oh my gosh, that was great. Hey there. Oh, shoot. Oh shoot.
Hey there, neighbor. How's it going?
Hey there, neighbor.
Oh, the SF.
What?
SMR. As
The SMR.
Oh shoot.
Oh shoot.
It's time. It's time. Oh, you got me. You got the G. Yes, I got in. Oh shoot, what are you doing? Hey, move out of the way. I'm trying to drive here.
Alright, fine.
Ah, what are you doing? I'm trying to drive.
Oh, okay.
I get destroyed. You just got wrecked. Oh no, wait! Ah, what are you doing?
Oh man.
Yes! Drive through the fire!
What is this song? I don't like this song.
Yes!
Oh.
Destroyed. Alright, now come here, biker. No, come here. Come here, biker. Fire at him! Get in! Get in! Get
No. Oh, oops, wrong person. Oh gosh, what is that thing?
Let's run over some people. Cops.
Alright, well I guess I'm never gonna run him over.
Not unless you break my car. I'm gonna get in this motorcycle. Oh shoot, it's dead. Oh wait, no, it's not. Come on, quickly.
Yeah.